If you're seeing a Gamma app error code 404, don't worry. This usually means Gamma cannot find the page you're trying to open, and in many cases, it's not a permanent problem. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your presentation fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, check the Workspace profile you're signed into. This is one of the most important things to verify, especially if the presentation link was shared by a colleague or teammate. Gamma often shows a 404 error when you're logged into the wrong account or the wrong workspace. So if the presentation belongs to a team account, but you're currently signed into a personal account, Gamma may block access to protect privacy. To fix this, sign out if needed, then log back in and make sure you choose the exact same workspace that the presentation belongs to. Once you're in the correct workspace, try opening the link again. If the page loads, then the issue was simply account access and not a broken file. Next, fix the shared URL itself. A surprising number of Gamma 404 errors come from a link that was copied incorrectly. Check the web address carefully in your browser bar. If the last few characters of the shared URL were clipped, removed, or changed during copying and pasting, Gamma may not be able to locate the presentation. Look for missing letters, extra spaces, or random characters at the end of the link. If you received the link in email, chat, or a document, try copying it again directly from the original source. Even one missing character can cause the server to return a 404 error. If possible, ask the person who shared the presentation to resend the link and confirm they copied the full URL. Now let's move on to clearing browser cookie traps. Sometimes the presentation is actually there, but a corrupted cookie in your browser causes Gamma to think the page no longer exists. This can happen after switching accounts, opening multiple workspaces, or using an old cached session. To fix this, clear the cookies for Gamma in your browser settings, or open the link in a private or incognito window to test whether the issue is browser related. If the page works in incognito, then your regular browser session likely has a cookie or cache problem. In that case, clear the browsing data for Gamma, refresh the page, and sign in again. These three fixes solve most Gamma app error code 404 issues. Make sure you're in the correct workspace profile, verify the shared URL is complete and accurate, and clear out any browser cookie problems that may be blocking access. If you still can't open the presentation after trying these steps, the link may have been removed, moved, or never shared with your account in the first place, so double check with the owner. I hope this helped you fix the Gamma 404 error quickly. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Gamma troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.